right, you guys, here we go. This is the Old Town PDL 106 Sportsman Kayak underseat mod, finally done. Holds two 3600 Plano boxes, got a couple of Cast King 3600 size boxes in here. But as you can see, it pulls right out in front of you, sits there. And when you're done doing what you have to do, pull out your lures, it just slides right back in under the seat. Currently, there are a couple mods out there on the market, but this one is just a simple mod. It actually sits under the seat on two rails that are attached at a specific height, you know, to get it to slide out and pull out exactly and actually put back in there when you're done. Take it out, pull it up, sit it on your lap, do what you got to do, use it as a junk drawer, keep some hooks, whatever, other tackle in there. But that's it, folks. Let me know what you think. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you like what you see. Thanks for watching.